Hi guys, we're here today in the TD SYNNEX Basingstoke office. Just about to head into the tech centre with my colleague Jason, our smart meetings expert, unboxing the Lenovo ThinkSmart 1 all-in-one collaboration bar.
Good morning guys.
This is the brackets, isn't it?
Mounting brackets. Okay, so what's included in the box? We have 8 wall mount fixing screws. We've got 2 wall mounting brackets for support. We've got our beautiful all-in-one ThinkSmart video bar. We've got our PSU, and we've got our touch panel. Plugged in our Lenovo ThinkSmart 1, we've got all our cables sorted out, we've done our updates, and we've signed into our Teams tenant, and we're about to make our first call. So I'm gonna hit the join button off my calendar. And connect to Bradley. Hi guys, how you doing?
Thanks guys for watching. For more information on the Lenovo ThinkSmart 1, please contact TD SYNNEX Maverick.